So this is a pretty special unboxing for me. This is a real treat. I don't like musicals. This is the only musical I've ever truly enjoyed. The dancing, everything in this is just amazing. This is my first Warner Archives that I've gotten. I've been looking at this for a number of years. It's quite expensive, but I decided to pull the trigger on it. I'll give you read that if you'd like. Wow, it's a 2-discer, so it's got special features, and there's the stats on it. Feels really quality, like the packaging feels nice. Let's open it up here and see what it's got going on. Easy plastic. Wow, that's great plastic too. Oh, look at that, nice disc art. Alternative disc 1, disc 2. So it sounds like maybe it's got a wide. It was filmed in widescreen, I do believe. So I think it should be in widescreen. Rarely seen alternate widescreen version in flat 1.77. So maybe it's got the scope size and the 16:9 size. We'll have to check that out. But I like the disc art, quality case, and I'm really looking forward to this. This is actually, you know, I know it's from 1954, but the dancing in this, the music, I don't watch musicals, right? But even somebody who doesn't watch musicals, I think, can enjoy this one. It is a great show. So I encourage you guys to check it out, and I'm gonna go watch it tonight. Thanks for watching, guys.